Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Stihl MS661. Customers complained of a little bit of erratic running, and I run the diagnostics on the Stihl diagnostic tester, and everything came up clean except for the RPM on the warm-up would not stay in the range, the correct range. It was running right at 3,200 RPM, and it should have been around 27. So I went ahead and hooked up all the pressure vacuum equipment on it. Let me show you what I found on it. Watch that seal right there. See those bubbles? So we'll put a seal into it and we'll get this guy going again. Just a heads up on what to look for on those 661s.